Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by calling into your carrier voicemail. This is the only reliable method to change the mailbox greeting. Once connected, you'll usually be prompted for a PIN. Enter it now. Make sure your headphones are disconnected to avoid feedback. After authentication, listen for prompts about greetings or mailbox settings. Keep the phone close to capture clear audio. You're already past setup. Next, you'll navigate menu prompts to record the new greeting and save it. Once you select the greeting option, choose Record New Greeting. The prompts will tell you which key to press. You should pause a moment, then speak in a steady, natural tone. State your name and instructions briefly. After recording, the system will offer playback. Listen and decide if it's clean and professional. If not, re-record. Make sure to finish by selecting the Save or Confirm option from the menu, otherwise your change won't stick. After you save the greeting, you'll get a confirmation. Do not hang up too quickly. Once done, test by calling your own number from a different phone to hear the active greeting. If the old greeting still plays, repeat the process and ensure you reached the correct mailbox and completed the save step. If you can't access the mailbox or PIN fails, reset your voicemail password through carrier support. This fixes most access and saving issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.